So, how do you create a new page on your website or in your funnel? Let me show you how simple it is. Just click on the Pages button here and then click on Add New. You'll see the option to create a new page, pop up, or step. Click on Page. There you'll find all the different amazing designs we've created for you, so you don't have to build these pages yourself. Of course, if you want, you can also start with a blank page. But there are so many different designs you can start with, which saves you a lot of time. So whatever type of website or page you're trying to create, you can pick one of the designs from here. Webinars, checkout pages, products, and more. You can see all the different varieties of beautiful designs. So let's say you want to create a product page. You simply select the design, add a name to it, and click Add. And just like that, you've added a new page to your website. Now you can fully customize it with the drag and drop builder. You can adjust the text, the padding, the images, and everything else you want. This saves you a lot of time. And as you can see, the design is very beautiful and also scales great on mobile devices. You can check here how it looks on mobile. As you can see, everything fits nicely on mobile devices. And just like that, in just a few seconds, you've added a brand new page to your website. All right, so how do we actually add a page or a step into your funnel as well? Just click on the funnels button on the left side. Then you'll see all the different funnels you have inside that website or your funnels in general. Go inside the funnel and then click to add new step. There again, you'll see the option to add a page or a pop-up. When you click on Page, you'll have access to the same amazing designs that you can choose from and add to your funnel. It's that simple. If you want to access your page settings, that's very simple too. While you're on the page, just go to Website Settings and then Page SEO. There you can adjust the page's SEO settings and other page options such as the URL, which group the page is assigned to, different access labels, and you can even make it the homepage if you want this new page to become your main homepage.